Looking for a marine audio system that delivers clear sound and versatile connectivity? The Pyle Marine Receiver and Speaker Kit offers exactly that with AM, FM stereo radio, USB flash, and SD memory card readers. It even has an aux input, so you can easily stream music from any external device without hassle. What sets this receiver apart is its easy-to-read LCD display with ID3 tagging, showing the artist name and song title right on the screen. The illuminated front panel buttons make adjusting settings straightforward, even in low light. Plus, rear panel RCA outputs and a preset equalizer give you control over your audio experience. The built-in Bluetooth lets you stream music wirelessly from any smartphone, iPhone, Android device, or tablet. An integrated front panel microphone supports hands-free calling, so you stay connected without interrupting your music or your drive. This feature is especially handy for marine or outdoor use where phone access can be tricky. Included are two 5.25-inch marine-grade waterproof speakers designed to withstand harsh environments. These speakers feature a 4-ohm impedance rating, a 20-ounce circuit magnet, and a 0.75-inch aluminum voice coil, delivering a frequency response from 100 Hz to 18 kHz. The result is crisp, powerful sound that holds up against water and weather. The stereo head unit fits a single DIN universal size and pumps out up to 300 watts peak power. It supports USB and SD memory cards up to 32 GB, so you can bring your entire playlist along. The compact chassis measures 178 W x 108 D x 50 hm, making installation simple, and it comes with all necessary power wiring harnesses. Users across the U.S. praise this kit for its straightforward setup and reliable Bluetooth connection. One customer mentioned installing it in an old CJ with no issues, highlighting how the system synced effortlessly with their phone. This kind of real-world feedback speaks to its ease of use and dependable performance. If you want a marine audio system that combines durability, sound quality, and modern features, this Pyle kit is worth a look. It's built to handle outdoor conditions while keeping your music and calls clear. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your marine sound experience with convenience and style. Ready to enjoy your favorite tunes on the water or anywhere outdoors? The Pyle Marine Receiver and Speaker Kit offers a complete package with versatile inputs, Bluetooth streaming, and rugged speakers. Check it out and see how it fits your lifestyle.